I'm telling you that gothic white would look really good with this outfit. Black would look nice. Why are you getting irritated?
This isn't your regular beauty show. This is So You Think You Can Blend, where flawless glam meets full-blown chaos.
Can you really soft? I'm so sorry. Brown is like my situationship's favorite color.
Each episode, a top makeup artist thinks they are here to take you through a trending makeup look. But we have a surprise in store.
Gosh.
Prank them at every step of the way.
Are you calling me a baby just because I'm a Gen Z?
No.
Will the makeup artist make it to the end?
You give a very Gen Z vibe.
Let's find out.
Hi, I'm Shivani Jaiswal, a makeup artist for the past 14 years, and here is my beautiful model Palak.
Hi, I'm Palak. You can call me Pulse.
That would be better.
It will.
So we're gonna create a cosmic makeup look which is a little blingy and more of a Gen Z vibe for the concerts and lot of events. So now we are starting with the first step. Right now I'm applying concealer on the eyes so that we create that beautiful, very blingy and Gen Z cosmic makeup.
I told you I stick to this one makeup look all the time because I
Yes.
don't like experimenting so much.
Correct?
And the makeup look I did yesterday like really ate. It really ate.
Got it.
And I hope this one like, it should look gagged, you know?
Yes, it will.
You know gagged?
Yes.
Do you use slang in general?
In general?
Yeah, like Gen Z
No,
slang.
I don't use slang, but I understand because my brother's also Gen Z.
Oh.
So basically, your face is like very baby face, and I don't want to make it look very
Are you
mature.
calling me a baby just because I'm a Gen Z?
No, absolutely not.
No, I'm offended.
No, not at all. But that wasn't.
Just because I'm a Gen Z, we're considered babies.
No, not at all. Gen Zs, I love Gen Zs. Just locking the powder, basically the concealer I'm locking.
Can you be a little softer? I'm so sorry,
Okay.
but please, a little softer.
Is it fine now? Better?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
comfy?
Yeah. Can I check my phone? I really need to like keep checking my phone all the time.
Are we good?
Yeah, I don't like not checking my phone every now and then. That's why I get really paranoid. So,
Got it. I'm using a very light peach kind of color.
we're doing pinks.
No, we're not doing pinks. We're doing
Okay.
browns
Okay.
and little shimmers. Very soft
Because like
satin shimmers.
brown, I'll tell you honestly, brown is like my situationship's favorite color. So do you use like multiple brushes all the time?
I have over 150 brushes.
Oh my god.
Yes. And for every step, there are almost 3-4 brushes.
Soft and probably like vintage because I saw the brands and everything.
Yes.
They're like really old.
vintage vibes.
Have you ghosted anyone ever?
No.
Never?
No.
Oh my god, seriously?
Yes. One man,
So-
14 years.
Wow, wow. How are you not bored? Oh my
Because
god.
I'm not Gen Z. I'm sorry. No offense.
Wow. Well, I'm not a millennial, so. Can we take 2 minutes? I actually really want to check my phone. I'm sorry. Sorry.
No problem. For the blingy look, I am applying liquid eyeshadow basically, just to add some glitters and pop and make it look very young, cosmic.
Sorry. Can I see? Let's take a picture actually. I think this angle is not really coming. We can use Snapchat. Have you used Snapchat?
No,
Never?
never.
But if you're a millennial, if you're saying you're a millennial.
It won't. Trust me. I will really have to. I'll keep on looking.
Do you scroll Instagram a lot?
No.
No? Why not?
Because I don't get time. I do brides.
Oh my god. Oh, this is so shimmery. Wow. Wow. So now what are we doing? I thought we were not going with pinks
I'm
and
not
like
going pink, no.
silvers.
This is silver only.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not sure if this would go with the entire outfit. I'm telling you that gothic white would look really good with this outfit.
Black will make you look very mature.
I really think a black would look nice. Yeah, discuss. I really think black would look nice.
आधे makeup
कर
में
सकते हैं ना थोड़ा
ask
बहुत.
the production. I'll do it. if they have...
Why are you getting irritated?
I'm not getting irritated, but the thing is, it is practically not possible now because I've done the entire eyes.
Honestly, I'm feeling really like tensed because I'm trying to push her, I'm trying to poke her, but she's getting little annoyed. But then as soon as I hit like the entire mark right now, recently I just hit the mark and she got really annoyed. She's been rolling her eyes at me and I feel so bad honestly because I don't want to be this annoying.
I'll take a video of this. It'll look really cool while you're doing it. Is it okay if I keep my eye open? A little. Okay. We can make a reel after this as well. Do you want to make a reel? Have you heard of like this? There's this one trending dance thing. It's really cool. But then if it's like a get ready with me thing, I think we should make half of it now and then half of it later now.
Close your eyes. So basically, I'm adding brown gel liner to the eyes only on the end, only on the outer corner, so that it gives a liner effect yet making the eyes very smooth.
So we make it on that trending audio.
Okay.
And then I think it'll look fab.
Perfect.
Do you want to do like an affirmation or something? Like make it fun, probably. Let's do an affirmation. Come. You hold my hand and we'd be like, you repeat after me. Okay, fine. Universe,
Universe,
may my eyeliner be as perfect and as sharp as hers. May my brain be as sharp as hers.
may my brain be as sharp as hers.
And may my waist be as snatched as Kim K.
May my waist be as snatched as Kim K.
And may I never ever lose my roads again.
May I never ever lose my roads again.
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes?
I think we'll have a lot of fun with this.
Yes.
So like, can I say one last thing before like?
Tell me.
Are you seriously a millennial?
Yes, I am.
Really?
Yes, I am. Look down.
Because I am a Gen Z, and this was a prank.
What?
I was annoying you, I was pestering you, I was behaving very Gen Z because this was a prank. I'm sorry. I'm genuinely not as annoying. I mean, I am, but not as annoying. I'm sorry. But like, this was a prank, and I'm genuinely just kidding.
So I just believed the prank and I tried telling her that it was a prank, etc. But she did not believe me.
Now I know why she was constantly on the phone and why she was making me annoyed. But I am a master and I couldn't let her know that I was annoyed. But I'm so glad it was a prank. I don't look annoyed. It's just a little I was. But since the prank is over, let's get started with the makeup.
Okay, what are we using now?
I'm using a primer.
Okay.
It's basically a moisturizer and primer. Generally, our skin are dry and we sit in ACs, so the skin tends to get dry even more. In that case, we apply moisturizer twice. Now I'm applying concealer under her eyes, on the mouth area and the forehead so that it actually conceals the entire face and doesn't look grey after we are done with the base. So I'm applying concealer right now just to neutralize the face, make it look more even, and it's mostly on the forehead. I'm applying foundation, very thin layer, and a blurring foundation so that we blend in very easily and blur all the pores. I was genuinely not up for it. I really didn't believe it was a prank, and oh my god, what a prank it was.
Was as annoying and as convincing enough?
Yes, absolutely, but because I'm habitual of handling a lot of clients, a lot of people, I was making a tough job for you. So I'm applying a little loose powder on the entire face so it mattifies and fixes the foundation. Just adding a little contour to the face. Very soft contour. Basically contouring I'm doing with a bronzer so that it doesn't give a very sculpted face yet defined. Adding a little bronzer to the nose.
I don't have a thing with brushes, so.
Gosh.
At all. You can do as much as you want.
Now I get the vibe. I'm using a blush on the cheeks so that it looks very fresh and defined. Never forget to add blusher on the nose to give a very Gen Z vibe. I'm adding a lip liner which is very peachy in color, not too brown and not too sculpted, which makes the lips actually very, very soft and nude color. This is the final look. Hope you guys liked it. Tell us in the comments how did you find the look. Thank you for watching this video.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nykaa TV. So you think you can blend?
I think I can and I did.